great morning to all of you. Myself Prak from grade 9 C standard, standing here to deliver a speech, and my topic for speech is matter in our surroundings. So friends, do you know what is matter? Okay, I will tell you. Anything that occupies space and has some mass is known as matter. Our Indian philosophers tell that matter is made up of five basic elements which are known as Panchtattva, that are air, water, sky, earth and fire. Particles of matter have their different properties such as particles of matter have space between them, particles of matter have force of attraction between them, particles of matter continuously moving, that means they possess kinetic energy. To prove one of the property that particles of matter have force of attraction, we can take an example. We can take one iron nail and one chalk. What would easier to break? Chalk will easier to break because iron nail have maximum force of attraction between them. Now I will tell you about change of states of matter. Now I will tell you about states of matter. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. First of all, we will talk about solid. Solids are incompressible. They have maximum force of attraction between them. They have minimum space between them. They are rigid. Now liquid. Liquid are compressible. They have minimum force of attraction as compared to solid, but maximum as compared to gas. They have space between them. They are no rigid. They can take the shape of the container. Now gaseous state. Gaseous state have force of attraction very less. They have maximum space between them. They exert pressure on the walls of the container because they are free to move in any direction. So they collide with each other and also with the container walls. Now the question arises that is a rubber band is a solid? The answer is yes, because when we apply force on the rubber band, it stretches itself and changes its shape. But after we dismiss the force, it will come to its definite shape. Now I will tell you about change of states of matter. First, solid to liquid. The conversion of solid to liquid is known as melting. The point at which this conversion takes place is known as melting point. Now, liquid to gas. The conversion of liquid to gas is known as boiling. The point at which this conversion takes place is known as boiling point. Now, I will tell you about the reversible. The gas to liquid is known as condensation. The liquid to solid is known as freezing. The point at which this conversion takes place is known as freezing point. In this, we have a topic latent heat. What do you mean by latent heat? Latent heat means hidden heat. First of all, we will talk about latent heat of fusion. The conversion of 1 kilogram of solid into liquid at atmospheric pressure is known as latent heat of fusion. The conversion of 1 kilogram of liquid into gas is known as latent heat of vaporization. Now the question arises that which would hurt us more, boiling water or steam? The answer is steam because it takes maximum energy in the form of latent heat of vaporization. Now I will tell you about what evaporation. Evaporation means the conversion of liquid into gas but below its boiling point is known as evaporation. Now factors affecting the evaporation. There are four factors affecting the evaporation, that are surface area, humidity, temperature and wind speed. More will be the surface area, more will be the evaporation done. Less will be the humidity, more will be the evaporation done. Less will be the wind speed, less will be the evaporation, and more will be the temperature, more will be the evaporation done. Now the question arises that when we put some acetone in our hand, why it feels so cold? Because it took all the heat from the surroundings and get evaporated, which gives a cooling effect to us. This is all for matter in our surrounding. Thank you and have a nice day.